Alright, a new update. I had another brain spark, and what I ended up doing is I removed the two 4-amp fuses on the left channel that's been giving me guff, and I popped the fuses, and I thought, well, maybe if it's the circuit that's draining it, it would disconnect that side of the board and that side of the amp from the capacitor that I thought was maybe duff. And so I popped these and took a baseline reading, so I'm in DC voltage, and should be pretty close to being drained off. It actually drained off, so 399 milliamps. And on the other side, the left side, is 2.2 volts still. It's just slowly draining off. So this one drains off much slower. This one drains. That one's showing 384 millivolts. So what I'll do is I'll charge it back up. And you can see the lights flicker in the room when I do that. That's pretty par for the course for any amp in this house, I guess. So we'll charge it up, and on the good side, we're getting 49.1 volts, and that has the B plus, B minus 4-amp fuses in it. And this one is reading 49.1, same voltage. So we're getting the same voltages on both. 49.1. Now here's the part where I'll shut it off, and I'll quickly take a reading of the this capacitor right here, the right side capacitor, and see what's happening. And it does, unlike before when I had the two fuses in, it was like dropping the voltage almost immediately. So I'll power it down. So the lights are out, you see it's powered down, and now we can see the capacitor as it discharges. So 16, 15, 13 volts, 11, 10, 9. Okay, so it's dropping really quick. 8, 7, 6.5, and slowly dropping. So that's 5.3. And then I'll go over to this side, and you'll see that it's quite a bit higher, but remembering that the circuit is still in play on this one. So, well, it's actually about the same, 6.8. So it's dropping at about the same rate, which would indicate to me that maybe the capacitor isn't at fault. So this one did hold a charge, and it's slowly bleeding off to ground, I imagine. And same with this one. So we're down to 6.1 volts, and it seems like it's down to 1.7 on this side. But again, remembering this side of the circuit is still in play, so there is a difference there. So really what's happening is when the two B minus and B plus 4-amp fuses are in, that circuit should be in play. And what's happening is it immediately drains off the capacitor, while this one shows the same decline that we just witnessed there. So I'm perplexed as to what might be causing that. I've basically put new output transistors on there. Gone over the board. I can't see any faulty other components. Yeah. Looking for ideas. Thank you.